Hey, my name is Ashley and I am the owner of LuvAandR Cute and Comfy Boutique. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're returning, then welcome back. But if you're new to my channel, then welcome. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be explaining to you what dropshipping is and how you can benefit financially from this market. So jumping right into it, dropshipping is literally you having the ability to sell a product without ever physically having to touch or see that product. All you would need to do is create yourself a free website, reach out to a wholesale vendor or just a regular vendor, maybe from Alibaba or AliExpress, and ask them if you can use their pictures and their products to place on your site. Once they give you permission to do so, then take those pictures and those videos and upload them to your site, and then just promote everything on all of your social media. So let's just say you want to sell jewelry within your online store. Find a vendor or a wholesale supplier that has the types of necklaces or earrings that you want to sell, and let's just say you find one that's for $1. You would market that product at maybe $11. That way, once the customer buys it, you would take $1 from that $11, you would send that to the supplier, and then you would profit the $10. You never come out of pocket for anything. You never have to see the products or anything like that because everything is done online. That's the beauty of dropshipping. You just have the freedom to make money with any type of product that you choose to sell. So I would say that starting out, dropshipping is the easiest and most cost efficient because you don't have to have any upfront costs for anything. Everything is done online. Everything is done through the vendor. The only thing that you have to do is make sure the customer puts in all of their information as far as shipping goes on your website so that you can fulfill that order to the vendor. Once you put in all the information to the vendor, it's pretty much like filling out an order for yourself, but only you're doing it for your customer. And the vendor will then send everything that they need to send that the customer ordered to the customer. The customer never has to know anything about the fact that you don't own products on hand whatsoever. So I would suggest that if you're trying to start out in this business and you're trying to figure out how in the world are you going to get a ton of products and you are low on money, this is the way to go. Once you've built up a large enough customer base and you know what your customers like, you know what they don't like, then maybe you can consider going into wholesale, which is another topic, but I've heard that it's better than dropshipping. Only thing is you'll have a ton of items in bulk that you would have to get rid of. However, the best thing about wholesale is you already bought everything, so it's yours. You don't have to split anything with the vendor. You get all the profit from it. So hopefully this answered your questions about what dropshipping is, and if you have any questions, then don't hesitate to leave them in the comments, and I will see you again next Sunday. So let me know what other type of content you want to see, and I will get that recorded and uploaded for you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.